Look at it, y'all. That's so pretty. Y'all, it's raining cats and dogs outside. I was finna go get me a smoothie, but I think I'm gonna make one here instead. And as a matter of fact, it's so easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients. So we finna go ahead and get into that. If you're looking for something light and fruity, this is smoothie that you need right here, okay? So you're gonna need some apple juice. And this right here say no sugar added. It's sweet, but it says no sugar. You're gonna need some spinach, okay? And a fresh pineapple. We about to dice this up right now. I am not, baby, right? I suppose. Y'all, it's so sweet. Okay, let's get back to the smoothie. All right, y'all, so my pineapples are already chopped. We're gonna have to add the spinach and the apple juice. Now, I know y'all probably looking at me side-eyed like, spinach, what is she doing? But trust me on this one, I got you. I wouldn't steer you wrong, okay? Now I'm going to add the pineapples. And I'm just gonna grab a few chunks out of here. And lastly, I'm gonna pour my apple juice. One second. All right, we back, y'all. Never have I ever had trouble opening a bottle of apple juice, but we got it open, so that's all that matters. We're just gonna pour a little bit of this. This is gonna be so refreshing. And then we're just gonna blend it up. And y'all, I did not measure anything. I just used a little bit of everything, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Me personally, I like to add ice cubes, so I'm just gonna throw a couple of pieces in there. And we're just gonna blend it all up. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This smoothie right here smells super fresh. It actually smells just like spinach, okay? Again, this is a healthy smoothie, okay? This is a smoothie that you need for your greens, okay? And see what it tastes like. That color is pretty, I ain't gonna lie. Let's get a straw. Let's try. Y'all, it's so good. I will say that the pineapple, you can taste that. The spinach is not overpowering, but you can taste that too. If you're interested in trying this smoothie, please let me know below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.